Hi everybody, welcome to Tradie or CCTV Importers YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe us. Alright, today what we are going to do is we are going to unbox the Hikvision DS-7608NI-M2 8-port PoE recorder. So that's a fairly large size box, and the recorder itself is a bit large recorder, and it's an 8-channel recorder with a PoE, and I'm trying to unbox it today to show you only how to unbox it and what's inside the box, but not the program inside or setup side. So at this stage, this is what it is, and I'm trying to get it out. So I'm going to leave it out, and it's got the box and the manual and the product code. I'll go through the accessories first. Let's see what we have in here. So as normal, as like every other, so you have the Ethernet cable, which is actually used to get the remote access for when you connect the NVR to the internet, and these small screws. So when you connect the hard drive, you use these screws. So you've got nearly 8 screws, and you got the power cord, and you got the SATA and the other cables, and you have the mouse, and you got the bracket for rack mounting. You do it for business in a network cabinet. So this is the rack mounting option that you have. So that's pretty much about the accessories. Open the unit now. Yes. Okay, that's the 7608 M Series recorder, and it's got all the power and internet and all the USB port, everything. So if you want to use a mouse, you use a mouse on this end. At the back, this is the power port. That's actually, we connect the power adapter into this one here, and that's a turn on and off switch. And then this has a video out. You can use a BNC video out, and you have the USB, and you have a VGA output, which is actually, you can connect this to the TV or LCD screen using the VGA, and you have an alarm in and alarm out, and plus then you have a HDMI cable connector, so where you can connect the HDMI into this, which can connect it to the TV or a LCD, and then you have audio as well, audio in and audio out. So you have audio in and audio out as well, and the other one is a LAN out input. So if you want to connect it to the internet and to have a remote access, you can connect this to a LAN, and all the other ports are PoE. So that's pretty much about it. I'm going to install a hard drive also into this one, and then you can see how I'm going to set up the system by using the hard drive. Another quick reminder, if you're interested in purchasing one of these, you can visit CCTV Tradie or CCTV Importers, our website, or you can visit our premises, which is in Noble Park. This is readily available. We got enough stock in CCTV Importers website. Okay, I'm going to take this off. You got to excuse me for all this rubbish here because it's a workshop. 2 screws on the side, and either side of the unit there are 2 screws. So you take the screws off. This is where the screws are. When you do the rack mount, you can actually use this for the rack mount as well. So 4 of them at the back as well. So take them off. So I'm going to use the hard drive now. Connect the power into this. Connect the SATA and power. You connect them firmly onto this, and once everything is done, you can tighten them. Once you're done with it, so you put the cover back now, and mind you, you can have 2 hard drives in this unit. So that's one advantage you have. a touch up. You get the unit here. So I have the power already been connected to the main power plug. So what we do is, I'm actually going to show you. We connect this one here, main power. Then I'll connect the HDMI cable, which is connected to the monitor here. So connect that into the line, and this is my data line. I'm going to connect the data to the data port and turn the unit on. This is how it looks when it turned on. Okay, let me quickly go through the initial setup. Okay guys, so this is the initial setup for the system, and if you're happy with this video clip that we did, please subscribe us on CCTV Importers YouTube channel. As if you're interested, please welcome to cctvimporters.com.au and you can purchase online. Next one, we'll be introducing how to set up the system and how to configure the NVR.